Now one more activity. See here the reaction of acids with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonate means how these acids react with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. When they react, what are the products we will get? That we are going to discuss in this activity. Here first, to do this activity, first we have to take one stand and two test tubes. We have to take how many test tubes? Two test tubes. So take two test tubes and name it as test tube A and this is test tube B. So take here, I took two different stands. Instead of that, you can take one stand. So first you take this stand and fix this test tube and this is named as A, and take one more stand and you place it under test tube B. Okay. Now to this test tube, here what is our reaction when acids react with metal carbonates? Means acids means you have to take dilute hydrochloric acid and metal carbonates. Metal carbonates means sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Sodium is a metal, so this CO3 comes under carbonate. So take sodium carbonate. In this test tube you take sodium carbonate through this crystal funnel. This is used to pour the acids in the test tube. So through this crystal funnel, pour this hydrochloric acid. I said we should take care while you are using the acids. Next, after adding to this, the reactions takes place. When the reaction is taking place, here you have to fix the delivery tube. To this test tube, you have to fix a cork. Along with that cork, you must fix crystal funnel, and this is known as delivery tube. So what are the gases are evolving after the reaction? So the gases that are passing through this delivery tube. So and this crystal funnel should dip into this solution. Whatever we are added to that, it should be dipped into that solution. Next, and whatever the gases are releasing, they are passing through this delivery tube, and at the end of this delivery tube, you must fix this tube into another test tube or another flask. So here in this, you have to take lime water. You have to take lime water in the test tube or in the beaker. So when the gases are passing through this lime water, then there is a change in the color in the lime water in the test tube. The lime water turns into milky. The lime water turns into milky. So this we can observe. Next, here what we took for the here that when an acid react with the metal carbonate means Na2CO3, or otherwise we will take the Na2CO3 metal carbonates. When it reacts with acid, it liberates gases. Carbon dioxide is evolved. So the carbon dioxide only, it changes the lime water into milky. So we will write what are the reactions are taking and what are the products are formed. We know that carbon dioxide formed, and here NaCl will get NaCl plus carbon dioxide plus water. Here is this balance or not, we will check. Here Na2, two NAs are there. So you must write here 2 Na. 2 NaCl, here you must write it as 2. So this is carbon dioxide CO3, O3, C, H2. So balanced. So when the acids reacts with the metal carbonates, the end products will get are salts, carbon dioxide and water. Salts, carbon dioxide and water. So to this lime water, here I will write the equation. Why it turns into milky means here lime water. Lime water means calcium hydroxide. CaOH twice is in this lime water, carbon dioxide gas is dissolved. So when it is dissolved, you will get it as CaCO3. CaCO3, and we will get one more product as water. Suppose excess of carbon dioxide is released in this lime water. Excess of carbon dioxide is released. Means when the carbon dioxide gas is dissolved in the lime water, then it turns into milky. So that product we'll call it as calcium carbonate. We will call it as calcium carbonate. Suppose if excess of gas is releasing in this calcium carbonate. So here I will write. So in this calcium carbonate, still if any this excess of carbon dioxide is releasing, we will get CaCO35. 1 minute, just I'll check. CaHCO3 twice. CaHCO3, and we'll take this water also is there. Just add water. CaCO3 in this, if you already contains water and excess of carbon dioxide is released in this, then you will get the end products are CaHCO3 twice. This will call it this. So such type of reactions that takes place in metal carbonates. Now I will discuss about this question. Usually they will ask for 4 marks. What are the reactions are taking place? Write about the materials required and procedure. Now, same reaction when acids reacts with metal hydrogen. Here I metal hydrogen carbonates. Metal hydrogen carbonate. Here only metal carbonates only. So that's why I took metal carbonates. Now I should take instead of this metal hydrogen carbonate. Means same arrangement, take the stand, take the test tube, fix it, and here this test tube we have to take it as B. This is A and this is B. In this B, just through this crystal funnel pour dilute hydrochloric acid, and you should take here as, here the solution is metal means NaHCO3. Metal hydrogen carbonates. Take it and the reaction taking place. So fix with the rubber car. Same precautions you must take, and the gases are releasing. When the gases are releasing, the gases are passing through this delivery tube, and this end of this delivery tube you must fix into the test tube which contains lime water. So then again the lime water turns milky. When the gases are releasing through this delivery tube in this lime water, again the lime water turns into milky. Means which gas it changes milky? Definitely it is a carbon dioxide gas. So here once again when you take the metal hydrogen carbonates, when they react with the acids, they too produce carbon dioxide, water and salts. So NaCl plus carbon dioxide plus water. Is it balanced here? Na and Cl balance, CO2 here balanced, H2O. So balanced. Again in this whatever we are getting same, if you do you will get the same equation. So this is very important. 2-3 times they asked. Once again I am repeating, when acids reacts with the metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates, they produce or they liberate the end products we will get are salts, water and carbon dioxide. So here the final you must write the result. What you must write? Acids react with metal carbonates